Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Charan. All right. So guys, so in this particular video, which is a very important, very core concept now, because without this, we will not be using Docker anymore nowadays. All right. So this is very important, right? All right. So let me explain you. So you guys already know what are images, right? So now you let me explain firstly. So we have created a container. Maybe inside the container we ran nginx. What is nginx? Let me tell you. See, nginx is a web server technology, all right, meaning we are able to access if we are able to access www.perseverance.com. See, perseverance software should be written first, right? So let me explain you the process. So code will be developed first in some language. So developers will develop the code. After that, we perform a build process. Okay. So after build process is performed, what happens is we get a package, final package. This package is our software. Now to run to ensure that this particular software is running successfully and available on the browsers and users are able to connect to the application on the browsers, we need a web server. So on web server, we basically deploy this software, right? We place this software, then the software will be exposed. Okay, that is the functionality of the web server. Now, all these days we have been spinning up nginx container. So inside which we have nginx. So this is the container and this is nginx. Now we do not have the package. Why is the question, right? Let me tell you. Now, because images are of two types. So number one is predefined images. It's a simple thing. See, let me tell you. We have been seeing what is Docker Hub. Docker Hub is something which have all defined images, predefined images, meaning for Nginx we need an image, right? That is available. We have another technology, maybe like Jenkins, everything as such, Tomcat, okay, everything. Many other softwares images are correspondingly available there on Docker Hub. The thing is, if I use the predefined image, it will create a, I mean, when we run a container out of that particular image, the container will have Nginx installed and configured and ready to use. But on that, we need to pass the final package. We call that as artifact. All right, it's a technical terminology. That artifact should be deployed, but meaning of that is in the image we should basically have our software also, correct? But that will not come under predefined images, because predefined images will have the standard softwares like Nginx, Tomcat, anything as such. On top of standard software, if we want to deploy our applications, we need to develop images, right? That's a different case. So firstly, let's understand predefined images are nothing but for all the softwares which are available in the market, right? Web server technologies or maybe security technology, anything as such, right? So we have all images hosted on Docker Hub. So all those can be called as standard images or base images or predefined images, which have the software already available. But on the software, we need to deploy our app, right? On Nginx, we need to deploy our application, right? For that reason, our images with the Nginx software, we should also have our code. That is not possible with predefined, right? Because it is for a purpose. They are just designing these images for deploying our underlying software. So the thing is, predefined images or standard images, you can call as base images or predefined images, on top of which we deploy our application. So predefined images or something which are already defined and all are available on Docker Hub now, which will not have our application deployed. Understand this. That is where, when we have created containers in last videos, we were able to see just an Nginx welcome page, but not of software. Okay, fine, because it is not even deployed. To deploy our software, our image with addition to this predefined image should have our, okay, this is predefined image content, right? With this we need to have our artifact, meaning our software available, right? For that reason we need to develop an image. All right. So if we develop images, those are called as customized images, meaning we customize images according to the requirement. Okay. So now understand the interlink between these two. Without a predefined image, we cannot create any customized image, because customized images needs predefined images, on top of which we build our, we build our customized image, meaning we put on our requirements. Okay. That is the difference between predefined images and customized images. All right. Fine, guys. So that's it for this particular lecture. We'll see the rest in another video. Thank you.